there is a word that you can say. And when you say this word, you will start to take the dreams, the ideas that you have in your mind that maybe you or somebody else is telling you are unrealistic or you're not sure if they're possible, how to make those types of dreams become true, how to manifest the things that you want into your life faster, all by using one word. So you might have a great life and you just want more awesome things, or maybe you haven't been able to get the money you want. Maybe you haven't been able to get your soulmate, your dream job, the lifestyle that you want. Maybe that hasn't happened. Use this word that I'm about to tell you. So today's an absolutely beautiful day to be alive, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Go ahead, hit the like button right over there, and let's dive right into this video. Have you noticed a lot of times people, they know what they want, but not a lot of times do they get it. They say things like, if I get that job, man, I'll be so happy. If I could make $100,000 a year, I would be so thrilled. I'm really hoping that this is the year that, I finally meet the right person and I can settle down. Man, I wish I could have a house or a car like that. There's a common thread between all of those descriptions. They're implicating that the dream, goal, or desire presently does not exist. And it may not even happen. In essence, what they're saying unconsciously is this is unrealistic. But as Will Smith once said, it is unrealistic to flip a switch in the room and make the lights come on. Thankfully, Edison didn't think that. It is unrealistic to bend a piece of metal and fly it over the ocean. I know, I live in Maui and I've spent my whole life on the mainland, and so I go back and forth on the plane. It's unrealistic. Being realistic is the most commonly traveled road to mediocrity. That's what Will Smith said. So as I started to notice, I often pushed my desires into hope, wish, if, maybe, then. I would push them into the future, and I would theorize or imagine that it would be nice if, and I realized I had to stop doing that. So I started saying, now. I am attracting great wealth now. I have attracted my soulmate now. Now I am so thankful that I have my dream career, large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. I am valuable. I serve people. I help people. Now my life is getting better. What that is a declaration to the universe and also a command to your subconscious mind that whatever words precede, whatever words come after now, are words that are a command to your subconscious mind to make these things a reality, because in the mind they already exist as a present tense fact. As Will Smith once said, it's already real, now we just gotta wait for y'all to see it. See, what you want is already real. It already exists. You just must command it from the universe. You must command and demand, and the universe will bend to your consciousness. Now. So take your dream, take your goal, take your affirmation, put it in the present tense, and begin it and end with now. I am so happy and grateful now that large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. I am so happy and grateful now that I am attracting fulfilling, enriching relationships, and I live on my dream house in the mountains on the beach with my soulmate and our beautiful family. I have all of these great things now. Being realistic is the most commonly traveled road to mediocrity. Comment down below, all I want exists now. Comment that down below, all I want exists now. You get that? All you want exists right now, right now, right now. Comment that down below. All I want exists now. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, inviting you to watch the words that you are using. Get rid of if, get rid of hope, get rid of wish, get rid of when, get rid of might be, get rid of maybe, and replace them all with now. Express your gratitude that all you want already exists now. When you do this, you are eliminating past, you're eliminating future, and as Albert Einstein once showed us, time doesn't exist anyways. So all you want already exists now. Don't settle for the most commonly traveled road that most of us take, which is one of mediocrity, which is one in which we dismiss the dreams in our beautiful imagination, the things that keep us up at night, the things that we think about while we're spacing out throughout the day. We dismiss them as unrealistic. If, when, might be, hope, it would be nice if, no more. All you want exists now. You live in a friendly universe. Your consciousness creates reality. If you can start to feel grateful and express the gratitude for things that aren't physically manifested yet, you will create them. So the question is, can you give thanks for a future that has not been made manifest yet? And when you do, you can achieve the impossible. You can manifest the unrealistic. So make sure that you use the word now on your affirmation. Take a 3x5 index card, write down what you want in the present tense and put the word now right there, right on the center of it. Right there down below is my free success hypnosis. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. You'll see right there down below, pinned to the comments, is jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. That's my free success hypnosis right there down below. You can go ahead and you can use that. About 700,000 people now from all over the world have used it. I'm so happy and grateful that so many awesome people have used it, and every day I get these amazing, miraculous stories of people saying, oh my gosh, I attracted money like this, I got my dream job, I finally passed the tests, I attracted my soulmate, oh my gosh. And they tell me all these cool miracles that happen in their life when they use the success hypnosis. It's free. All I ask is that you come back and share your awesome success story here in the comments down below. I love to know them, and I'm sure it'd be awesome to inspire others by sharing your success story as well. So right there down below is jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below, pinned to the comments. Hit the like button on this video to send it out into the YouTube universe right over there on the side. So thank you for hitting the like button, subscribe, bell notification right over there. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, even if you're already subscribed. Just double check, have you actually hit the bell notification? Have an absolutely fantastic day. Remember, you live in a friendly universe. All you want exists now. It's time to start commanding and demanding that your subconscious mind, which is the seed of creation, bring you the things that you want most in life.